fries to break the record. Oh, you gotta see this, T.
Coming!
Beatrice. Well, that is a lovely outfit, but, breakfast started 2 minutes ago.
Sorry, Mother. I had to go back for my dance shoes. I almost forgot the recitals today.
Goodness gracious, how could you possibly forget the recital?
What recital?
Oh, ignore your father. We are both dying to see your new routine. So tell me, Beatrice, what composer are you dancing to today? Tchaikovsky or Stravinsky?
I gotta go. It's important.
Really, Beatrice? Such behavior is an embarrassment.
Oh, that's funny. I thought it was a call to arms. Slurp war.
Done.
Oh, darn it, beaten again.
Incorrigible, both of you.
May I be excused now?
Well,
Good luck, honey. We'll see you at the recital.